Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to delete YouTube videos from your channel. Whether you're cleaning up old content or simply want to remove videos that are no longer relevant, this tutorial has got you covered. Let's dive in. First, sign into your YouTube account. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen and select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. Once you're in YouTube Studio, click on the Content tab on the left sidebar. Here you'll see a list of all your uploaded videos. Find the video you wish to delete. You can use the search bar to quickly locate it if you have a lot of videos. Click on the three dots menu icon next to the video you want to remove, then select Delete Forever. You'll be prompted to confirm that you want to permanently delete your video. Remember, this action cannot be undone, so make sure you really want to delete it. If you're sure, check the box to acknowledge that the video will be permanently deleted, and then click Delete Forever. And that's it! Your video has been successfully removed from your channel. Deleting videos is a straightforward process, but always consider if it's the right choice for your channel's growth and viewership. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.